Welcome to HWM Aston Martin and welcome to this 2017 on a 17 plate V8 Vantage S Coupe. This particular car is a 16 model year Vantage, so it does have that later waterfall dash that you see in Vanquish. Let's just run you through some of the optional content and the specification of this vehicle. So as we say, it's a 2017 on a 17 plate. It has done 13,700 miles from new, has a full Aston Martin service history and is finished in Onyx Black. The overall condition of this car is really beautiful. As you can probably see in the camera, the paintwork is lovely. All the wheels are in good order as well. And it has a great spec as well, that sort of black with the red calipers, offsets with the black interior as you can see with the red contrast in stitching. But let's just run you through some of the content that you can see on the outside, and then we'll then take you on the interior and we'll show you through some of the optional content on the inside. So sort of starting off from the front three quarters here, as you can see, we have the 10-spoke forged wheels. So these are finished in a graphite finish with a diamond turn face. And as mentioned previously, we have the red brake calipers behind. All the bright work on the outside, so we have the chrome side strake with the Magnum mesh infill and the Magnum bonnet infill as well, which is quite unusual on Vantage, but it does look really nice when you can see that flash of chrome on the outside of the car. Moving around the front of the vehicle, we have the bright finish front grille, and also we have the chrome headlamp bezels in the front of the vehicle. And then on the lower pack of these, so later on in Vantage S's life, when they amalgamated V8 Vantage and Vantage S, the carbon fibre front splitter and rear diffuser became an optional extra. So we have the gloss black lower front splitter and then the gloss black rear diffuser as well. Moving round this side of the vehicle here, as you can see, we have the chrome window surround on the outside of the car. And then on the back of the vehicle, we have your clear rear lamps and your Vantage S badging on the back as well, with the chrome tailpipes to finish off. So what we'll do is we'll run you through the interior of the vehicle and we'll show you some of the optional content inside. So as I say, this particular car is a 16 model year Vantage, so we have the later Vanquish dash inside here. So that will give you the Apple CarPlay. So some of these earlier dashboards, they didn't have the CarPlay, but the AMI3 did. So this actually has the CarPlay on the vehicle. We also have your sport button. So again, in Vantage S, you could have the sport mode on and off when you had the manual car, but there is a function on the dash there that you can keep the sport mode on. But also running you through some of the options, we have the full length black piano veneer with a center console, and also on your door pulls as well. We have this lovely Obsidian Black interior with the spicy red contrast stitching, the Vantage S logo on the headrest, and then as you can probably see on the doors here, we have the contrast stitching, which signified Vantage S was this triple layer leather that was on the door card. And unusually for Vantage, some people optioned it, but not many. If you had a coarse stitch on the inside of the vehicle, you could option to have the red stitching run on the headlining here. So just to sort of finish that contrast on the interior. This is a Taylor's grey roof lining. So it just lifts the inside of the car a little bit when you're driving, so it's not too dark. And then finished off with your Obsidian Black heavyweight carpet. If you want any further details on this vehicle, do give us a call here at the showroom or visit us at hwmastonmartin.co.uk.